Hi students, let us discuss about adrenal gland. It is the part of the one of the gland in the endocrine system. Okay students, what about adrenal glands? Adrenal glands develops from the two parts of the embryonic tissue. These are, one is the ectoderm and the one is the mesoderm student. Ectoderm that is produces medulla region of the adrenal gland. Next, mesoderm of the embryological tissue that produces cortex region of the adrenal glands student. Next, adrenal glands are two in number. These are situated in upper side of the each kidney. Okay student, these are the adrenal glands consist two parts. One is the adrenal cortex, it is the external part. External part of the adrenal gland is called adrenal cortex, and inner part, internal part of the adrenal gland is called medulla, adrenal medulla. Student, now what about adrenal cortex? Adrenal cortex, it is the external part, consist three layers. Adrenal cortex that is consist differentiated into three layers. Student, these are the three layers secretes. Adrenal cortex is with three layers. These three layers secretes hormones called corticoids. Student, adrenal cortex secretes hormones into the body fluids. These are the hormones are called corticoids. Next, what are the corticoids? These are the corticoids are divided into three types, which is secretes from the three layers of the adrenal cortex. These are mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, sexocorticoids. Student, in this first one, mineralocorticoids. What about mineralocorticoids? Mineralocorticoids releases from zona glomerulosa. Mineralocorticoids releases from zona glomerulosa. Okay, the adrenal cortex that is with the one of the layer that is zona glomerulosa. Zona glomerulosa releases mineralocorticoids. This chiefest mineralocorticoid, that one is aldosterone. Student, aldosterone, it is important. Okay, what about the function of the aldosterone? It regulates balance of the water and electrolytes in the body. Regulates water balance, electrolyte balance. Next, when blood pressure is falls down in the body, when blood pressure is falls at that time, angiotensin 2 student, it is the one of the hormone. Angiotensin 2 stimulates the cortex. Angiotensin 2 stimulates adrenal cortex to secretes hormone that is aldosterone. This is the aldosterone stimulates the reabsorption of the sodium and the water from the renal tubule, and at the same time excretion of the potassium and phosphate ions is also possible or entered into the combines with the filtrate renal fluid. Student, entered into the urine. Okay, next, and the what about glucocorticoids? Glucocorticoids releases from zona fasciculata. Zona fasciculata is the another one of the layer present in the adrenal cortex. This is zona fasciculata. Okay, chiefest glucocorticoids that is secretes from the zona fasciculata of the adrenal cortex is cortisol. Cortisol is also called hydrocortisone. Student, cortisol is also called hydrocortisone. Okay, involved in carbohydrate metabolism. What about the function of the cortisol? Okay, in the body, this involved in carbohydrate metabolism and convert glycogen to glucose. where the glycogen is stored in the body, that is the glycogen is changes into converts into glucose that enters into the body fluids, and it helps to stimulate red blood cells production from the cells of the bone marrow. Next, stimulate gluconeogenesis. What is the meaning of the gluconeogenesis? Glucose is produced from other than the carbohydrate substances, that is called gluconeogenesis. It is also stimulated by cortisol or glucocorticoids. Next, lipolysis, lysis of the lipids, and proteolysis, lysis of the proteins. These are the actions are stimulated by cortisol, maintain cardiovascular system and kidney functions, student, and produce anti-inflammatory responses. Okay, anti-inflammatory, inflammation is reduced by the effect of the glucocorticoids, anti-inflammatory responses, and also helps to suppress the immune system. Entire the immune system present in the body is suppressed by, okay, by the help of the glucocorticoids. At the time of the persons is with organ transplants. Okay, organ transplants means some amount of the organs like kidneys. Okay, these are the organs transplanted to the human body. In such persons, immune system is stimulated, that rejects the part of the organ. Okay, this is the entire the system is suppressed by glucocorticoids, helps to suppress the immune system, student. Next, and the cortisol. What about the role of the cortisol? It is also called life-saving hormone. Why it is called as life-saving hormone? Because it serves to maintain body in living conditions. It serves to maintain the body in living conditions, student. So it is also called life-saving hormone. Cortisol is also called life-saving hormone. Next, and the sex corticoids. What about sex corticoids? It is released from zona reticularis, student. Zona reticularis, it is the third layer present in the adrenal cortex. Zona reticularis secretes sex corticoids. These are also called sex hormones. These are androgens and the estrogens. Sex hormones that are produced from the gonads called androgens. Chiefest female androgen is estrogen. Chiefest male androgen is testosterone, student. Okay. Zona reticularis secretes these hormones, and these are the hormones helps in development of the secondary sexual characters in females and the males, like a pubic hair, axial hair, facial hair, development of the secondary sexual characters in the human body. Okay, next another adrenal medulla. It is the second part, student. Second region that is present in each of the adrenal gland, that is adrenal medulla. This is the adrenal cortex, this is the adrenal medulla. What about the adrenal medulla? Consists chromaffin cells. This is the region consists of chromaffin cells. Okay, student, and this is the part of the adrenal medulla stimulated by the chromaffin cells and secretes two types of the hormones. One is the adrenaline, also called epinephrine. Another one is noradrenaline, is also called norepinephrine. Okay, student, and these are the two hormones also called catecholamines. Okay, and secretes, these are the hormones or secretes in response to stress, at the time of the stress, and also secretes during at the time of the emergency situations. Okay, student, these are the hormones hence called emergency hormones or fight or flight hormones, student. Next, what about the another functions of these hormones? Increase alertness and dilation of the pupils, and piloerections means involuntary erections of the air follicle, raising of the air, that is called piloerection. And sweating, it is also, these are the hormones also causes the production of the sweat from the sweat glands. And increases heartbeat, and rate of respiration is also increases, and stimulates breakdown of the glycogen to produce glucose, and also stimulates breakdown of the lipids and the proteins. This is the hormone by the breakdown of the glycogen into the glucose that causes the increasing the level of the glucose in the body fluids. Student, this is about the adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal cortex that consists 3 layers. One is zona glomerulosa, another one is zona fasciculata, third one is zona reticularis. Zona glomerulosa secretes mineral corticoids, example aldosterone. Next, zona fasciculata secretes glucocorticoids, example cortisol, it is also called hydrocortisone. Zona reticularis secretes sex corticoids, for example 6 hormones, these are androgens, estrogen. Okay student, adrenal medulla, this is the inner part in adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal medulla that secretes 2 hormones, adrenaline, noradrenaline, also called epinephrine, norepinephrine. These are collectively called catecholamines.